Hey everybody, happy Martin Luther King Day. I have a haul here I thought I'd share. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help the channel out. And I do a plethora of stuff, kind of do the pets, what you can do for them, prepper pantry meals, SHTF recipes, leftover makeovers, regular recipes, grocery hauls, online hauls, all kind of stuff. So anyways, so we'll get started here. I got 3 bottles of conditioner with 3 bottles of shampoo, and these came as sets and they were really inexpensive. I am getting more dehydrated and freeze-dried stuff, plus dehydrating and freeze-drying, and hoping that stuff grows this year so I can preserve it. So I got some sweet corn. I got an Italian vegetable soup mix. I'm not quite sure what makes it Italian. I got some dehydrated green beans. I'm out of Mexican oregano, so I got some more of that. I got some extra boot laces for my husband and I's boots. There's 2 pairs in there. I got some nails. There's 600 in there, and they're all different sizes. You never know when you'll need nails. I got a can of chicken and sausage gumbo. I got a bottle of barbecue sauce. I got 2 packages of the cheddar potato soup. That one's really good. I got another package of the masa for tortillas and stuff. I got, it just sprayed. I'm not supposed to lift with that arm. I got 2 5-pound bags of self-rising flour, and it's squirting flour. I need to get that vacuum sealed. I got the Badia Saison Tropical. There's a green and a red or orange. I got another 5-pound bag of wheat flour. I use this for us and our dogs. I got 4 packages of the macaroni and cheese. This is the only one of these I can eat. I don't find the other ones very good. I got a can of dehydrated banana chips. These were on sale on Amazon. I got a box of hefty trash bags. Just want to make sure I don't run out of cleaning supplies and stuff. And then I've heard there's going to be a chocolate shortage and stuff. And I bought these before Christmas, and I got 5 pounds of milk chocolate and let's see, 2 pounds of white chocolate, and somewhere in my candy making stuff I have some dark chocolate. So you might want to think about that if you like making candies and fudges and things like that on the holidays. Go ahead and order you some chocolate while it's still affordable and available. So yeah, that's my somewhat small haul for today. I have my subscribe and save coming, so I will share that when it comes, and I have other things I'm going to be picking up. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. These are just, I'm working more on the non-perishable foods and bulking up on that a little more. So I hope you all are doing well. SHTF is here. It's just a slow burn, and I think we all just need to really get prepared and ready, and at least this will be one less worry, is having food on the shelf and cleaning supplies and things like that. So anyways, you all stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm if you're up north where it's snowy and yucky, and I will see you all in the next video.